Guys, today we're going to do lesson 12, sounds introduction. We always have to say this sound fast. D, D. I'm going to say the sound slowly and then say it fast. E, E. Ah, ah. We always have to say this sound fast. Now we're going to do rhyming. I'm going to rhyme this sound. I'm going to rhyme with eed. Read. Read. I'm going to rhyme this sound. S. I'm going to rhyme with eed. Seed. I'm going to rhyme this sound. I'm going to rhyme with at. Mat. I'm going to rhyme this sound. I'm going to rhyme with at. Rat. I'm going to rhyme this sound. S. I'm going to rhyme with at. Sat. Now we're going to say the sounds and then say it fast. Read. Read. Seed. Seed. Sad. Sad. Seat. Seat. Mad. Mad. Now we're going to do word reading. Sound it out and then say it fast. Seed. Seed. Sam. Sam. Rat. Rat. Me. Me. Don't say anything for the little sound. Just say the big sounds. Eat. Eat. Seat. Seat. Now we're going to do sound writing. D. Ah. Keep practicing. Thank you.